Gusto. Yeah, I don't know. I was just hauling that, bro. That's all I know, bro.
Mobbing in the Bentley, smoking more. Pocket full of motherfucking blue. Half an ounce in my Gucci tube. Socks for the summertime, got a new drop. Trapper slash rapper slash bad bitch. Snatching, baby mama mad. She said you live like a bachelor. Sold 100 pounds and got 10% to the pastor.